Plants that replace dishcloths in nature. This is the Loquat tree, an evergreen on the land, and one of the best examples of how creation replaces the things we think we need. Today I'm showing you the plants that act like natural dishcloths. Adam didn't have towels. He didn't have sponges. He didn't have woven fabrics. He had the land. And the land already had everything. The Loquat tree leaf is strong, flexible, and durable. The underside has a natural scrubbing texture. The top side wipes dishes clean like a cloth. You can wash a whole bowl or cup with just one leaf. Magnolia leaves do the same thing, thick and sturdy for scrubbing. Tulip tree leaves are broad and flexible like a natural towel. Cattail leaves can be folded into a scrubber. Sphagnum moss works like a sponge. No processing, no weaving, no chemicals. Just creation doing what it was designed to do. These are the plants that replace dishcloths in nature. And the Loquat tree is one of the best.